to my channel. Today I just wanted to share a video with you that I wish existed when I first started my makeup journey. It's how to do a 2-second smoky eye. My smoky eye that I'm wearing right now, it took me 2 seconds. So here we go. I'm gonna take you and show you how to do it now. I know when I was first trying to figure out my makeup journey and all of that fun stuff, smoky eye was like, you have to apply this and then this, and you have to work in layers, and you have to do all of this, and then you have to blend for 9 million years at a time, and you don't have to do all of that. It can be 2 easy steps, and it literally takes me 2 seconds to do my daily smoky eye that I incorporate into my everyday look. So I've already done my foundation, I already did my eyebrows, and I did take a white into my brow bone and just the inner corner here already. So I'm gonna show you the actual smoky eye portion now. What I'm going to be using, and you can use any colors to do this. So I am using this Morphe today. This Morphe palette today has a lot of purples and things in it. I am just going to be using this white shade here and this purple shade here, and that's literally it. That's all that I'm going to be using, and it's just going to be a natural smoky eye look today, but you could do this with any colors, and you don't have to have an expensive makeup palette to do it. The brush I'm using is from Urban Decay. It's in one of the Naked palettes. It's the Naked Smoky Eye palette. I'm using it just because I like the dual end. This one is for my white, and it's for the brow and my inner corner. And then this one I actually use for my lid and crease. The first quick and easy step, just sweep some of the color, you know, just a couple little dabs of the color, and just put it all over your lid there. You've already highlighted your brows and stuff, so you don't need to worry about trying to get the color all of those places. Okay? Nice and easy. And again, just by a couple little dabs, go in and put it on this lid next. That's it. That is it on the white portion. So your lids are now done. Step 1 complete. Now I'm gonna go on with that purple shade that I showed you. The thing to think about with a smoky eye, I want you to think of your eye as a shape. We're gonna focus on applying here, okay, and in here. So I almost want you to think of it as a triangle shape. Your eye has that triangle right above it. It's as if you had these outer edges of the triangle, and that's what we're going to be working with. You don't need a ton of product. I always start with less. If you want to go darker, you can, but it's easier to work with lighter product. So like I said, it's my natural smoky eye. I'm going in just a couple dabs here. Perfect. I'm gonna start, I always start in my crease, and again, you're thinking of triangle shape, so my crease is right in here, and that is that top upper part of my triangle. Okay, you don't want to do a straight line out, but follow your crease, but have the triangle concept in your mind here. Okay, that obviously already gave me enough shade on the top lid there, and then I'm gonna go in. You might add a little more, like just a couple dab more of your color on your brush, but you really don't have to. And then to finish the smoky eye, I'm going to complete my triangle here, connect it that way, go back into your crease, pull that down. The reason why you don't need to shade in that triangle is because as you're working, and if you're using a nice fluffier brush as you're doing that, your color is going to be concentrated in that triangle shape, but the inner part of that triangle that you're working on, it will pick up the product, you know, from going across in the shape. The middle will shade itself. I don't know if that makes sense, but if you want to go a little bit more dramatic, which I will just for the purpose of this. Okay, again, following your crease, just right up in there, and your brush probably will touch the top of your lid. That's fine, and that actually is good because it will help you with blending. And again, I'm going to work on my outer triangle lid here. That will put the darkest point of your shadow right here where the 2 lines cross, and then obviously in those 2 lines, and then it will leave the color to do the rest. Okay, now just to finish up, because obviously I do have all of, you know, this funky shape out of here, I am going to just take my finger to my eye and just sweep it up like this. Okay, and that's going to get rid of that extra color, and I might also take my finger up here and fix that shape too, if necessary. I don't always need to do that, but sometimes I'm a little bit messy. So now if you can see, my light is in here, my darker color is out here, It's seamless. It's not like, holy goodness, what colors was she thinking? And this is my natural everyday smoky eye. You use the exact same method for any colors, and that is literally it. It is 2 steps. It takes 2 seconds. You don't have to go layer on layer on layer. So I'm gonna do the other side real fast. Again, I'm going in on the crease here, my triangle shape, and then I'm going to work up. There. That's it, and now I'm done. That's my smoky eye. It's natural. You could literally pick any colors, like I said. You could do a gray and a white, or I really love working from a white, but if you were wanting to do a gold to a brown, this method will work with anything, and it takes you literally 2 seconds, and it's so easy. Just focus on your triangle for your shading, and you'll be just fine. As I'm looking at it, I'm noticing this corner has a lot more white than this corner does, so I'm just gonna take the thinner side of my brush. You could use the thicker side if you didn't have a thinner side, but I'm gonna use the thinner side. I'm gonna take my white and I'm just going to work it kind of halfway in, because I don't want to mess up the shading that's already there. And then I might go over that one more time, just like that, just to finish filling that out there. And voila, now I'm done. So then I'm just gonna apply my liner and mascara, and then your look is done. You can do this for natural smoky eye, you can do it for drama smoky eye, whatever colors you want. Just pick 2 colors. One is your crease color and one is your lid color. That's it. That's how you do a smoky eye in 2 seconds. So let me apply the rest of this here. The rest of my makeup is now done. This is your final result, like I showed you in the beginning earlier on. And as I said, you can do it with any colors and any palette. It doesn't have to be an expensive palette to create a good smoky eye. You just want to have it blend decently. So I hope that helped you guys out. If you have more questions or comments, let me know down below. I'd be happy to help you out with anything. And I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.